Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to Almere Centrum. It's another city in Netherlands. From Amsterdam, you can go there with the train, bus and car. So today I chose to go with a car. It's around 20 till 30 minutes. If you like this video, please thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Let's go there. And now I'm already in Almere Centrum, so I just walk around like where can I shop, so look at the city. Yeah, right down here, as you can see. As you can see, it's not that much busy because of the COVID-19. It's really quiet here. Normally it's really busy city, and as you can see in the round, it's like the Five Guys is really famous for French fries. French fries is really famous. In the plain, as you can see, there is KFC, Burger King, there's the cinema, the bioscope. It's really nice to see. Now, as you can see, I'm right now in the front of the Almere Central Station, and here is a lot of restaurant and bars. As you can see, here's a lot of chairs, seat places outside, so you can enjoy the weather as well. And now it's a little quiet because of the COVID-19, but if you come here, it's really nice city. Right now I'm in the Almere shopping street. Like as you can see, here's a lot of people behind me. If I walk straight, it is like there's a train station. All of tourists come here. Hi guys, I'm right now in Primark. It's really good and cheap store because you can get here everything literally for kids stuff and for shoes, clothes, whatever you like. And you can find the Primark in around the most of the different country like Germany, UK, and Belgium as well. So yeah, let's see what they have. For watching my video. Now it's time to go back to Amsterdam.